Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here sharing my planned kit for August 2023. There are 5 weeks that are majority in August, so I'm going to go through each of those kits one at a time. Starting out with the first one, it's July 31st through August 6th, and I'm using this kit from Life with Mayra. It's just called Summer, but I think it's super fun, very summery. There's only 6 full boxes, but certainly I have plenty of stuff in my stash. I can pull in some additional bits and pieces. I did end up printing off the Happy Planner version of this. There also is an EC version, but that, because the boxes are shorter, it lists all the dates, so you get little like, 1 through 31 here, and I felt like I could just write that in and I didn't really need that particular component, so I ended up deciding to not worry about that and print the Happy Planner version, which gives me these little bit bigger boxes, which I thought would be fun. So that is for the first week. For the second week, it's August 7th through the 13th, and I am using this kit from Vintage Glam Studio. It is called Chunky Pineapple. I just printed off the first page because this really has everything that I'm going to need to get through the week. I have used a couple of these kits in my planner already. They're very functional and very useful, so I'm excited to use another one. This one's very summery and fun. There are these 4 boxes here that kind of are just full box but background box kind of thing. I might end up pulling in some stuff from my stash just to pizzazz those up a little bit, but either way I think it's going to look cute and be really fun to use. Then next week is August 14th through the 20th. I actually have a big work event that week, and so my plan is to use this rainbow value pack from Happy Planner. This is the one that has over 5,000 pieces. It's 100 sticker sheets, and it goes through this like pink and red section, and then the next one is like orange and yellow, and then we move into this kind of turquoise and green, which ends up on this side as well. And then after that we get like this more green and blue kind of section in here that moves into more blue colors, and then we get this purple with like really intense pink kind of section, and that's what ends up finishing out the planner. So I'm probably going to go through the whole rainbow during the week, but I thought it would be really fun and bright and cheerful, and a way to be able to mix up, since I'm going to have a lot of different days in terms of what they look like. It'll be nice to be able to mix up what kinds of pieces I'm using in my planner for that week. The fourth week is August 21st through the 27th. I have leftovers from this B&R Paper Crafts kit. It's called Jane. It's like a Tarzan inspired kit, but I do have a good amount of leftovers here, including some like washi strips and stuff like that here. Lots of boxes, checklists, a couple of full boxes here, a few more full boxes here. So that's pretty much what it looks like. So my plan is to use all of these leftovers, which I think is still going to be really functional, and I think it'll turn out pretty cute. I'm actually going to move like up here to the top maybe. I think that'll look a lot cuter. But that's going to be my plan for that week. And then the final week is August 28th through September 3rd. For that particular week, that end of that week is going to be Labor Day weekend here in the US, and so I kind of wanted a patriotic kit. This is actually from Crafty Planner, which I have never used a kit from them before, but it's their 4th of July kit. Realize obviously not 4th of July, but it is patriotic, and I thought it would still work really well, and I liked all the kind of boxes and thought it was really fun. And I like that these are red, white, and blue, but not like exactly the red and the blue that you might expect for patriotic, particularly because my toner is starting to die. So I think that made it probably even more these colors a little bit, but like the flags still look pretty true to color, so it's not that far off. So we get this kind of like turquoise addition in here. So I thought it would be really fun for this week, and I'm excited to try out and see how these kits work. I think they're going to be pretty functional for this particular planner. So that's kind of my plans for this 5 weeks in here. These are not going to lay super nice because of the order, but that's going to be what I'm going to do, and I am excited to see how they turn out. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know your favorite kit that you're seeing that I'm planning to use. I'd love to hear about that, as well as what kits you're planning to use in August and kits you want me to check out. If you don't have anything to say, just leave me like a fruit emoji to say hi. I would love to hear from you. And then also, you can follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads using these kits as well as my other kits, things in my book planner, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, things like that. And until next time, bye.